guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. I would be providing you all the information that you need, from the product codes, prices, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm excited to share the new collection of LV. Guys, get this. How beautiful is this Capucin's clutch? We don't have the price yet, but we have the SKU. So launching this month, already available on the website, and please do check with your CAs. Material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one is black. So as you can see, this is an east-west design. I love that it comes with leather top handle, and the chain strap is fully detachable as well. It would come in the poplier or maybe beige colorway. So Capucin's clutch, so as you can see, same design but different colorway of course. It would come with detachable chain strap, and it would come with leather top handle as well. So this is the interior, so leather interior as well. So how gorgeous is this one? What do you think of the Capucin's clutch, guys? Kindly comment down below. So next on the collection, so this is a feature of the nautical collection. So guys, this one, Capucin's BB, price at 6,600 USD or 7,750 USD. So material is cerulean leather with cowhide leather trims. So colorway is navy, and of course it would come with detachable chain strap with charms, as you can see here. Next guys, so we have another Capucin size mini. So we have SKU here. So for the price, please do stand by. So still from the nautical collection. So the material guys, so the material is tweed. Wow. So of course it would come with cerulean cowhide leather trims. The color is fiery red, and it would come with detachable strap and chain strap with charms, as we could see here. So next on the collection, so this is from the continuation of the Paris Avello collection. If you have not seen that vlog, kindly check one vlog back because I have featured this collection. So we have the bucket hat. So price is 735 USD. It would come in two sizes, small and medium. Please take note of two different SKUs. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it would be packaged when you're going to purchase the bucket hat. Then it would also come in the thermos cups and sleeves. So price not yet available, but we have the SKU here, still from the Paris Avello collection. Material is monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, and as we could see, it comes with strap. It would come with a drawstring closure. So what do you think of this one? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next we have the Keepall 25 bandolier. So we have the SKU here launching this month as well. So this one, the main material is monogram archive coated canvas, so please take note. And it would come with pre-treated cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather bag tag, as we can see. and detachable leather strap, and of course it would come with the lock and key set as well. Love that bag. Then of course we have the new blue mini hobo. We have the SKU here. So this is the interior. As you can see, the main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, colorways noir or black, and it would come with detachable strap, and it would come with gold hardware. So you could also wear it like this. So this is the comparison. If you comparison with a model, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller. Then guys, so last time I featured a black colorway of this, so we have the Speedy 20 bandolier. So now the price is 20,000 USD, and colorway is John. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. And guys, the reason why it is expensive because the LV monogram is embellished with pearls, and it would come with detachable leather pochette. Then we have a shopper tote size mini launching March 2026. Price is 5,400 USD. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is pink. Then of course it would come in pink and green weave leather with detachable leather strap, as we could see here. Love the contrast of the green and pink together. Then of course we have the Skyline size PM. So this is launching this month as well. Price is 2,600 euro or 3,300 USD. So it comes with a zipper closure, as you can see. So this is a top handle bag with detachable leather strap. I love that it comes with a zippered front pocket. Then I believe you could attach charms in front of the bag. Then this one is much for me, or better for me, because of the colorway, which is in black. Skyline PM, same price is 2,600 euro or 3,300 USD. So the material is front leather. It would come with gold hardware as well. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, as we could see here. So the Skyline would also come in the size MM. So this one is in the color black as well. So price is 2,800 euro or 3,550 USD. Material is front leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is black. So this is the interior, as you can see. So it comes with a zipper closure. For security, comes with a zippered pocket in front, and of course with the detachable leather strap. The Skyline MM would also come in the hazelnut colorway, as you can see. So this is different from the earlier one. So I think the earlier one, it's much of a gray colorway. So this is like hazelnut. Of course, and the price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,550 USD. So top handle bag with detachable and adjustable leather crossbody strap. Then let us feature the Mahina calfskin perforated collection. So first we have the Bella bag. Price is 3,500 euro or 4,400 USD. So close up, as you can see, the material is Mahina calfskin perforated leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is cognac. So this is a drawstring bag with detachable leather strap, and I love that it comes with detachable coin purse. Carmel, so beautiful shoulder bag with price of 4,200 euro or 5,350 USD. So this is the interior. You can close this one via the magnetic lock. Then of course it would come with the braided leather top handle. Material is still the same, the Mahina calfskin perforated leather with cowhide leather trims. Then of course, if you want a more functional or multi-use bag, then we have the Bella tote here. Price at 4,200 or 5,300 USD. So as you can see, the design is a top handle drawstring bag. So it comes with a middle zip compartment. It comes with leather top handle, which I really love as well. Then of course it would come with detachable leather strap. Then guys, we have the City exclusive collection, so launching April 2026. First guys, we have the Neverfull size GM. We don't have the price yet, but we have the SKU. So this one, it's the Marbella City. So material is the monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Of course, the colorway of this one is in orange. Then of course, the next city, we have the Dubai Neverfull size GM. We have the SKU here. So this is a City exclusive collection. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is pink. And of course, it would come with detachable pochette. Launching April 2026. As you're going to see, it comes with the LV logo in front with the title Dubai in front as well. Then we have the Palma de Mallorca, so never full size GM. We have SKU here, M29211. So as you can see, this is the close-up view. Main material is the classic monogram coated canvas, and it would come with the pink cowhide leather trim. So what do you think of this one? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you did, guys, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I will see everyone soon. Bye!